All right, YouTube, ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? Happy pre-Thanksgiving, and you guys enjoy your holidays tomorrow. Eat good. A lot of blessings with your family. Enjoy the days off. You got Thursday and Friday off. Saturday, Sunday, 4-day weekend. That's what I got. And if you like to fish, get some fishing in, if possible. But most of the thing is to be thankful for your family and everything you got going on. So this is what I'm gonna do today, guys. I'm in the kitchen by myself. Wife at work. You know, the wife is a registered nurse, so she's doing her thing, and I'm thankful to have her. The fish I caught yesterday, I just put they in here. So I'm gonna fillet these fish. I'm gonna make a video. I don't know how it's gonna be put together. It might be fillets first, frying first, watch the video. But I got some crappie I took out this morning. So I'm finna fry these up. My secret recipe. I use corn oil or whatever's at the house. Actually, that's what I use. So we're gonna fry them up because I want to eat those later today. And then we're gonna fillet these up. I caught yesterday, just bag them up. And I might get back out there tonight, see if I can catch some more. Take advantage of it before it gets super cold. Cause I'm pretty sure my content is gonna slow down once it gets real cold. I just don't like to be out there in that cold weather. So let's get this party started. Let's get it started here, you guys. All right, so basically what I do is I just pour some of this corn oil in here, good amount. There we go, that should be enough. Then I'll get me maybe this container here, and we'll open this bag up and we'll get this baby going here. Let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, nice fillet. All right, these are gonna be good tonight. I actually caught these November the 15th, so just a couple of days ago. There we go. So we're gonna let this grease heat up a little bit, and then we're gonna get these baby going. And then I'm gonna start cleaning those other fish. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think the grease might be warm enough here, so we're gonna get going here. All right, so this is what I normally do, trying to make sure you guys can see. All right, so I'm basically gonna just drop it in there, shake it up. It's about like what everybody does. And once it's in there, I make mess too. I'm not the chef of the house, so throw it in. There you go, it's sizzling. That grease probably can get a little bit hotter, but hey, I'm about to get going here. I need to cook these, then fillet this other fish, and then try to go out there and catch me some more tonight. Cause it's supposed to start raining, and I think it's supposed to rain for the next 3 days. I got a whole one here that I'm gonna braid up really good. And I'm gonna braid this one up really good here, you guys. There you go. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice right there. That's gonna be nice right there. Put a couple more fillets in there. Oh, that's a good one. Look how that look. Ooh, clean grease. All right, so we'll go with these. We're gonna let this cook for a little while, flip it over. And I put like a napkin in my pan just so that grease can dissolve in it. That's it. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy at all. All right, we're gonna let that cook up for a little bit. Now we're gonna go over here and we're gonna start filleting. Let me get me a, let's see. All right, I put the fillets in here. So we got two things going on at one time. All right. I fillet fast, so. Oh, I need to go and get a gut bucket. Well, I do it like this. That'll be my gut bag. All right. So you're gonna fillet it just like this. Flip it over. You see, they starting to develop the eggs for next year. A lot of people think they spawn in the fall, but they're not spawning. I don't think so, just my opinion. I think they start developing the eggs and it goes 6 months, you know, until March. And that's when they lay them. That's just my opinion, though. I'm not right, you know, on everything. Yep, I messed this one up. I better start bringing my measure at night too. I'm gonna get that piece of meat right here. Heck yeah, that's a big old piece of meat. I get that little skin off. Just let the knife do the work for you. These fish kind of, I had them in the fridge, so they kind of frozen a little bit. This is pure organic meat right here, protein. Not processed, not straight from the waters. Clean as it's gonna get. As clean as it's gonna get. Let me clean this one more, and then I'm gonna go there and see if my fish needs to be flipped over. These are nice fillets. Nice fillets. $10 and $11 crappies, okay with me. Ain't gotta be them gigantic ones. I don't mind filleting it the old-fashioned way, but once I got a fillet knife, that was it. Just too easy of a job. All right, so let me clean my hands. All right, I gotta get me a bigger cutting board. Let's see what this fish look like. There we go. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's gonna be some good fish right there. There we go. All right, let's get back over here. Get back here over on this job. So you guys can see I'm doing two things at one time. All right, getting to the bigger crappies now. So remember, when you're doing it, when you cut, go down, and when you flip it over, just stay up on that backbone, and go down that backbone, and you won't cut through the bone there. But if it's your first time doing this, it'll take a while to get used to that. And once you get it down, you'll be moving fast, just like I'm doing. You can see ain't much on that. Now, if it was a hard time, I'd eat the skeleton part too, the rib cage. Not the rib cage, the backbone. This is a big one right here. But that piranha cut through it like butter. Big old male. Now when it's hard times, you see this right here? That middle part, I will keep that. Clean it up real good and eat that. Fry it up too. But I got plenty of fish and I'm gonna go back and get more, so I'm not going through all that today. This is the big fish of the day. This is the biggest one from yesterday, and it's 13. I knew it was about 13. Right here with a 0, and that's 13 right there. So it's a little bit past 13. Just a little bit past 13. Pretty fish though. Pretty fish, you guys. These are big boys here. 13-inch crappie is a slab. I don't care. A 12-inch to me it's a slab. 13-inch slab. 14, 15, 16 and on up is some big crappies, but this is a slab to me. I don't know if you guys agree. If y'all do, let me know. I'm going slow. I'm trying to get all that meat. I might have to keep that middle piece. It's a big female. See the eggs right there? Big old female right here. This one right here was the first crappie I caught on that video yesterday. That's a big old fillet. Now my people in the country, they don't like the fillet. They like to clean the old way because they say you're giving up a lot of meat. If I take my mama crappies, she'll tell me to just gut them, scale them, but don't fillet them. She'll do it. But really honest, you're not giving up a lot of meat. You're giving up this little meat right here and maybe a little bit right up there, but it's not much. It's not much at all, honestly. All right, let me get this fish over. I know it's about ready. And put some more in there. I'll mess with that later. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, that's John. That's boy definitely Don. So I'm gonna let this cook a little bit longer on this other side. Since it's whole, I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer. I'm gonna get all these at one time here. I think I am. Maybe not. Maybe not. I'll wait. There we go. All right, so let's get this bass taken care of. All right, here come the big boy, the bass. This joke is thick. I'm talking about thick. This bass probably about. The bass was looking to be about 15 inches and solid as heck. All right. All right, let's get the bass going. And this is you guys, saltwater freshwater piranha, Mr. Twister. I got it from the academy. Probably $50. Been having it for a long time. Huge fillet knife, and it can cut some fish. Little fish, big fish, whatever you want to put on there. It'll get the job done. You'll see when they cut this bass. And like I said, the fish is kind of frozen, so that's why I look like I could be struggling with it. But it cuts pretty good though. Now this is a big fillet right here. Man, this is a big piece of fillet right here. Just go up under that tail, get it started, grab this back part of this tail, and just pull. There you go. That's a huge fillet. You cut this part off, throw it in the gut bag, wipe down, keep it clean, flip it over, and do the same thing. Same exact way. Same exact way. Let the knife get it started. Even if it's kind of hard, just let the knife get it started for you. And then you just start kind of pushing down a little bit, but not too. And there you go. It'll just drop down for you. If you can see just the spine, the head, and this huge fillet. Get it going. Once you get it going, grab it, pull it. There you go, big old fillet. And you see that? That's just the skin. That's how close I was on that knife. I didn't leave no meat. This right here, it's just a, now, like I said, for hard times, you'll cut this off and you'll clean this up with a spoon, or you can just cut it all off and you cook all that too. But it's not hard times, so I'm good. This is how you keep everything clean in the kitchen. Now you can't be scared to touch nothing, or, I mean, I guess you could wear gloves, you know. That's just the way I look at it, but I'm from the country, so it is what it is. I've been doing this for a long time. Just wipe down. There you go. Now once I get through cleaning the fillets, I wipe everything down with another towel. This is my fish towel. I wipe everything down with another towel with Clorox. That way my wife don't have to worry about any kind of scent in here. They actually tell me that I do really good when I clean, because they don't smell no fish when I get done. So I just put that right there. Put this right here. Well, I think I'm gonna, I'm done. I'll mess with that, let them bag it up. Clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna put this over here, guys. I'm gonna pour all this in here. And what I'm gonna do, let me see, I think my fish need to be turned over. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me. It's a long video, but hey. Okay, that can come out. That one is done. This one get flipped over. Actually, like it's done. Like it cooked on both sides. All right, let me hurry up. Put these three in here though, and I'm almost done cooking. Shake it up one good time. There you go. 1, 2, 3. These are done. These are done. Now I like my fish to be hard, cooked hard. My wife doesn't. She like it to be kind of like this high golden brown. But I like mine like this one right here, dark. So we let that cook, and we done. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit here. And basically just run water on it, clean it up a little bit. Get this fat off of it. Make that fillet look a little bit better. There we go. I leave the rib cage on, cause I eat around that. It's basically real simple, real quick. This is probably taking off this little fat part. Now that bass, when I cook it, I'll actually cut that up. And this big old bad piece of meat I got in my hand, when I cook this, I'll actually cut this up in fillets. These are big crappie fillets right here. There's one in my hand. Big as my hand. Ooh, they cooking fast, boy. That heat must be hot. All right. There we go, you guys. 7 crappies, 1 big bass. Right in there. 14 crappie fillets, 2 bass fillets. All right, let me clean this up a little bit and then we'll be right back. All right, YouTube, ladies and gentlemen, I'm done. I got it cleaned up. I got the bag of fillets in the freezer. I got the house, everything cleaned back up for the wife. Got the area cleaned up over here. The only thing she got to do is come in here and do her thing. Of course, she's going to be prepping tomorrow for Thanksgiving. So you guys, you know, it's going to be going down. She's the cook of the house. She's from New Orleans, so she can throw down. When I met her, guys, I was 219. And I always mess with her, tell her that she the reason why I'm 250 something. But I'm a country boy. I like to eat, so it is what it is. So here we go. There you go. The finishing touches. The finishing touch. So I'm gonna take a couple of them. I'm not gonna eat much because I'm not hungry, but I'm gonna finish it off, this segment, with 2 of them. And of course, I gotta get that Louisiana hot sauce, baby. So we're gonna eat this real quick and we're gonna call it a day. I wanna see what it tastes like. I threw this together real quick. And I mean real quick. Give me some water. Oh man, what a day. I've been busy, you guys. I'm a busy person. I know y'all know me from fishing and stuff. I work a career, 24 years in the IT field. I'm a weightlifter, ex-powerlifter. I'm getting back into that. And I've helped people want me to train them and stuff. So busy guy. I'm all over the place. I got so many different avenues and paths. And I'm getting older now, man. So I'm gonna have to slow down. I can feel my body just going downhill. So something I had to give. I love fishing. I don't want to have to cut back on some of the content, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So let's see what this tastes like. Let's see what this tastes like, you guys. All right, so I got to have the Louisiana hot sauce. I can use Tabasco sauce, but I got to have that Louisiana. It is what it is. And I grew up. I was born in Dallas, but I grew up. I was born in Dallas, you guys, but I grew up in Spring Hill, Louisiana. So that's right out of Shreveport, up by Monroe, Louisiana. And I was there like from a kid all the way to 9th grade in high school. Then we went back to Arkansas. That's where my family is originated from. So I have a little of everything in me. But I love Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. I love everything about it. So especially Arkansas. If you guys haven't been to Arkansas, you need to go. That's the most beautiful state I think I ever seen. It's still one of the states that have a lot of wilderness. Mountains, everything is green, fresh air, the quality is different, man. I'm telling you, when I grew up in Arkansas, I had no allergies, no nothing. Came to Texas, and I have a lot of allergies and stuff. Back in Louisiana, it's just real muggy and stuff, but man, I love Arkansas. So let's see what this tastes like. All right, let's see here. Well, y'all know you can't beat a crappie. You know, you know what I'm eating. So that's clean meat. I just caught these yesterday. This is super clean. I can taste it. Very clean. Crunchy. I cooked it just right. Crunchy. I eat around the rib cage. I eat all that. Pick through the bones, you know. That's good. It's good. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching as always. If you haven't subscribed, you're looking for a channel. It's a real cool channel. Family friendly. You get what you see. I'm just a country boy. I love to fish, so I would love to have you part of the family. But always, thanks for commenting. Thanks for likes. If you share, thanks for sharing. Thanks for everything. You guys have a blessed day. Happy early Thanksgiving to you all. And y'all have a great one tomorrow. Eat good. Watch football. Whatever you do. Hang with the family. And just thank God for being here. Peace.